Did you know businesses using AI-driven marketing see up to a 30% increase in conversions? And guess what? Most of them are using ChatGPT. If you're not leveraging AI for your business, you're leaving money on the table. Welcome back to the AI Connection, the podcast where I dive into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a professional in the field, or just curious about how artificial intelligence, AI, is shaping our future, this show is for you. But stick around because at the end of this video, I'll reveal a secret ChatGPT prompt that could 10x your marketing strategy. AI is reshaping the marketing world, and ChatGPT is at the center of it all. Whether you're running a small business, launching a startup, or just trying to scale your side hustle, ChatGPT can help you create content, engage customers, and even optimize your marketing funnel, all with just a few prompts. So today, I'm breaking down exactly how you can use ChatGPT to supercharge your marketing efforts and grow your business. Let's start with content creation. Never run out of ideas again. Blog posts and articles. ChatGPT can generate full blog posts or outlines in seconds. Just type. Write a blog post about your topic with an engaging hook and SEO keywords. It will churn out a decent post in seconds. You will need to humanize it by adding in your personal touch, but it is a great start. Social media content. Need captions for Instagram, LinkedIn, or Twitter? ChatGPT can craft engaging posts in seconds. Try, give me 5 Instagram captions for a new product launch. YouTube scripts and video ideas. Want to dominate video marketing? Ask, give me 10 viral YouTube video ideas for a business in your chosen niche. Second is email marketing, AI-powered personalization. Writing emails can be a headache, but ChatGPT makes it effortless. Try this prompt. Ask ChatGPT to write a high-converting email for a Black Friday sale offering 20% off. Want to go even further? You can personalize this email for different customer segments. Boom! Instant customization. Third is SEO optimization. Rank higher on Google. ChatGPT can generate SEO-friendly blog outlines, keyword lists, and even meta descriptions. Just say, give me an SEO-optimized blog outline on whatever topic you're posting about. Pro tip. You can ask for LSI keywords and FAQs to supercharge your content. Next up is customer engagement. Artificial intelligence chat assistants. You can use ChatGPT to generate quick responses for customer inquiries, create chatbot scripts, and automate your direct messages. You can try this. Ask ChatGPT to create a friendly yet professional response to a customer asking about our refund policy. It can even handle negative reviews professionally. Huge win for your brand. Last but not least is having it handle ad copy and sales funnels. Write like a pro. Struggling to write ads that convert? ChatGPT can generate Facebook, Instagram, and Google ads in seconds. Here's an example. State, write me 3 high-converting Facebook ad copies for a new online fitness course. Boom, you'll have 3 ad copies in seconds. It can also help you build sales funnels by generating landing page copy, CTA buttons, and email sequences. And now for the prompt I promised earlier on. In ChatGPT, ask the following. Act as a world-class digital marketer. Create a 30-day AI-powered marketing strategy. For my business, that includes content creation, email marketing, SEO, and ad campaigns. My business is, then describe your business. That's it. You will instantly have a 30-day marketing strategy. Try this prompt and watch how it completely transforms your strategy. If you found this valuable, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI business hacks, and drop a comment with your favorite ChatGPT use case. Let's grow together. The future is now, and it's powered by AI. That wraps up today's episode of the AI Connection. Let's keep thriving in the AI revolution. Until next time, stay ahead of the curve, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to my channel, Your AI Side Hustles, for more strategies on making money using AI. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.